Let's talk about some investment vehicles. You've probably heard someone say, I just put my money in T-bills. And you're like, okay, what's that? Let's break it down real quick. Treasury bills or T-bills are short-term loans you give to the government, usually for between 91 to 364 days, which is 1 year. But you get your money back in full plus interest. And one interesting thing about T-bills is that you get your interest upfront. That's an option. And this just means that you can get paid the interest at the start and then you get your principal back at maturity. How sweet is that? Now, what about bonds? Have you heard about bonds? Same idea, but longer tenor. Think about 2, 3, 5, 10, even 20, 30 years. And you get paid your interest or coupon periodically over the life of the bond. For example, some bonds pay coupon or interest quarterly, some biannually, and they return your principal to you at the end. T-bills are great if you want safe short-term options. Bonds are perfect if you are playing the long game and want steady income or cash flow. Are you a business owner? Park that idle cash. Don't leave it laying fallow in your business. Are you a professional? Let your salary do more than just chill in a savings account. Or are you a part of our diaspora firm? Yes, you can invest from abroad through verified channels. And if you've been hearing the term mutual funds, but you're not quite sure about how it works, you're not alone. Mutual funds are a simple way for people to pool monies together so that a licensed fund manager can invest on their behalf. It could be in stocks or treasury bills or bonds and several other types of assets. In Nigeria, mutual funds are one of the easiest and safest ways to start investing. Whether you are earning in Naira or sending money from abroad, mutual funds are a fantastic way to start. You can start small, avoid the stress of market research, and let the professionals manage it for you. Just ensure that you go with a SEC licensed fund manager. Emphasis on SEC licensed fund manager. Here are some examples of mutual funds you can start with. The first and the most popular is the money market funds. As the name implies, the pooled funds are invested in money market instruments. They are low risk and short term. Think about treasury bills, commercial papers, and fixed deposits. And then we also have bond funds or bond mutual funds. These ones offer steady income with moderate risk, and they are great for medium to long-term goals. Balanced or equity funds, on the other hand, are a mix of stocks, bonds for growth with a little bit of more risk. Here's how to start. You can set your goal. What do you want to achieve? Then you choose a SEC licensed fund manager. Your goal is, why are you even investing? Choose the right fund manager to go with. Open an account with that fund manager and fund it and stay consistent. If you want recommendations on fund managers, you can check in the link in my bio, and you can get some links over there. You don't need to be a finance expert to start. Mutual funds, they give you access, structure, and expert support. And finally, we're going to talk about stocks. You know how people say, buy shares, or they never really explain how or why. Yeah, let's fix that. Because the stock market isn't just for the super rich or those who wear suits and read Bloomberg for fun. The stock market is a platform where you can buy pieces, ownership in companies. Think about owning a piece of Zenith Bank or GTCO or Nestle, Dangote Cement. These are for Nigerian companies. Or Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Tesla for US companies. You earn money from the stocks when the share price rises, and that's what we call capital appreciation. Or you get dividends when these companies make profit and they declare dividend. You get paid. Isn't that cool? So whether you're living in Nigeria or abroad, you can get started. But you do need to learn more before you invest so that you don't jump in because everybody is saying shares are cool. Learn as much as you can. But a fun fact you need to know is that some people make money even when the market dips, right? You know, prices go up and down because they understand long-term investing and not panic selling. So calm down, learn about the market and get in. So whether you are an employee running or you are running your own business in Nigeria or living abroad or sending money back home, consider adding stocks to your wealth building mix. Got any questions for me? Drop them in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more valuable content. And let's thrive together.